Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can get rid or remove of image margins inside your app projects in the Retool app. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your app project, select the page here in the top left corner, and once you have added the image as a component or image box to your page, like this one here, through this button in the top left here, and by navigating to the image box here, you may position it here for demonstration purposes, there will still be that margin here. So if you'd like to get rid of that, you will need to left click into image, access its properties here to the right, scroll all the way down, and here guys, under spacing you will see the margin settings. So you may go, for example, with normal or none, and as you can see, if you click into none, that margin gets removed. Now you can resize your image, for example, and position it anywhere you like here on your image, on your page. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.